हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज करण मित्तल फ्रॉम आईआईटी दिल्ली। तो आज हम देखने जा रहे हैं बेसिक्स ऑफ ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शंस। तो ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शंस समझने के लिए सबसे पहले हमको कुछ नए फंक्शंस डिफाइन करने पड़ेंगे जो ट्रिग्नोमेट्री में यूज होंगे। तो चलिए देखते हैं। सबसे पहले हमको राइट एंगल डेफिनेशन समझनी पड़ेगी राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल की। लेट्स सपोज एबीसी आपके पास एक राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल है जहाँ पे सी अपना परपेंडिकुलर एंगल होगा, एच हाइपोटेनियस, ए परपेंडिकुलर विच मीन्स ऑपोजिट एंड बी एडजेसेंट मीन्स बेस। ए एज perpendicular treat and B treat as base. So if let's suppose angle A is angle theta, so we define new functions as first function is sine. What is sine of theta? Sine of theta is equals to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular is A and hypotenuse is H. Now next function is cosine. What is cos of theta? Base upon hypotenuse. Base is B, hypotenuse is H. Now new function tangent. What is tan of theta? Tan of theta is equals to perpendicular upon base. What is perpendicular? A, and what is base? B. These three functions are very important. So now next three functions, these three functions are just similar to that one but reciprocal of them. Like cosecant. Cosecant is reciprocal of sine function. Cosec theta is equals to hypotenuse upon perpendicular, H upon A. Secant is reciprocal of cos theta, that is hypotenuse upon base, H upon B. And cotangent is reciprocal of tan theta, that is cot theta is equals to base upon perpendicular, B upon A. That's clear. And we have to see angle conversion. There are two types of angle. One is angle in degrees and angle in radius. Means there are two unit conversion to measure the angle in trigonometric function. One is degrees and one in radians. So we know the degree ones means 90 degree, 30 degree. But how to convert angle in radius? So there is a formula. Angle in radius is equals to angle in degrees into pi by 180 degree. If we multiply pi by 180 degree with angle in degrees, then it convert angle in radians. For example, 1 degree will be converted into pi by 180, 120 into pi by 180, 30 into pi by 180, 225 into pi by 180. These all degree angles are converted into radians. Clear? So now we see quadrant system. So in trigonometric function we know we have to use of a quadrant. So there are four quadrants in general: first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. So by convention, these are defined. That all six functions that we defined earlier: sine, cosine, tangent, cosecant, secant, cotangent, all are positive in first quadrant. In second quadrant, only sine and its reciprocal cosecant are positive, else are negative. In third quadrant, only tangent and its reciprocal cotangent are positive, else are negative. In fourth quadrant, cosine and its reciprocal secant are positive, else are negative. So we have to remember all these functions so that we can determine it properly. So there is a trick to remember it. After school to college means you can determine after of A that is all are positive. As for sine means sine and its reciprocal cosecant are positive in second quadrant. To tan are its reciprocal cot are positive in this quadrant, and college that is cos and its reciprocal secant are positive in fourth quadrant. So that is the trick to remember all this. So thank you guys for watching this video.